Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Canva for Instagram, quick tips step by step clearly. Open Canva and log into your account. On the home page, type Instagram post into the search bar. Select the suggested template for Instagram posts. Browse through the available templates to find one that suits your style. Click on a template to open it in the editor. To change the background, click on the background area. Choose a color or upload an image from your device. Next, click on any text box to edit the text. Type your message or caption for your Instagram post. You can adjust the font style, size, and color from the toolbar. To add images or elements, use the Elements tab on the left sidebar. Search for icons or illustrations to enhance your design. Simply drag your chosen element onto the canvas. Resize and position it as needed. To upload your own images, click on the Uploads tab. Drag and drop your images into the upload area. Once uploaded, click on the image to add it to your design. Adjust the size and placement as required. Once you're satisfied with your design, click on the Share button in the top right corner. Select Download from the options. Choose your preferred file type, such as PNG or JPEG. Click the Download button to save it to your device. Now, your Instagram post is ready to be shared. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.